You've probably heard it 1,000 times. AI is coming for your job. The image that pops into your head is probably something out of a sci-fi movie, right? A humanoid robot walks into your office, sits down at your desk, and your boss hands you a pink slip. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not what's happening. The reality is far more subtle, and honestly, far more dangerous if you're not paying attention. A isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your tasks. And when enough of your tasks disappear, your job quietly vanishes with them. Let's break this down. Think about your daily work. How much of it is spent on repetitive, predictable actions? Answering the same customer questions, summarizing long meeting notes, pulling data for a weekly report, writing standard emails. These are tasks. And AI is getting incredibly good at doing them faster and more accurately than any human ever could. It's not about one big, dramatic replacement. It's a slow erosion. A task here, a responsibility there. Your workload gets lighter, which sounds great at first. But then your company realizes they don't need 5 people to do what one person, armed with the right AI tools, can now accomplish. This isn't some distant future I'm talking about. This is happening right now in 2024, and it's going to accelerate massively into 2025. The new rule in the workplace won't be about getting rid of employees. It'll be about getting rid of slow employees. Companies are always looking for a competitive edge, for efficiency, for a way to do more with less. AI is the ultimate efficiency tool. It can draft your emails, analyze complex spreadsheets in seconds, design marketing visuals, edit video content, and even handle a huge chunk of your customer support. The person who embraces this, who learns to use these tools, suddenly has superpowers. They can produce the output of an entire team. So, who do you think is more valuable to a company? The team of 5 people working at human speed, or the one person orchestrating a suite of AI tools to deliver results at 10 times that speed? The answer is obvious. And that's the real threat. It's not the AI itself. It's the person who knows how to use AI better than you do. Your competition is no longer just the person in the cubicle next to you. It's the person who has mastered prompting, who can guide AI to generate brilliant ideas, and who can supervise its output to ensure quality. This shift feels scary, I get it. It feels like the ground is shifting beneath our feet. But here's the crucial part. This doesn't mean humans are becoming obsolete. Far from it. It means the definition of a valuable skill is changing right before our eyes. For decades, we were rewarded for our ability to perform tasks efficiently. Now the value is shifting towards our ability to think critically, to ask the right questions, to have creative vision, and to strategically direct powerful tools. Your job in the future isn't about doing the work. It's about directing the work. The safest career path isn't a specific job title like doctor or lawyer or programmer. Many tasks within those professions are already being automated. The safest position to be in is to become an AI collaborator. You are the pilot. AI is your co-pilot. It handles the navigation, the systems checks, the repetitive communications, freeing you up to focus on the destination, the strategy, and handling any unexpected turbulence. Those who learn how to be a great pilot will not just survive. They will thrive. They will be promoted faster, create more value, and have more career security than ever before. On the flip side, those who resist this change, who insist on doing things the old way, are going to find themselves feeling stuck, confused, and ultimately replaceable. They'll wonder why their colleagues are getting so much done, why they seem to be falling behind, and why their skills are suddenly no longer in demand. They'll be trying to race a car on foot. History is filled with examples of this exact pattern. When the tractor was invented, it didn't just eliminate the jobs of millions of farmhands. It transformed agriculture. One farmer could now cultivate hundreds of acres, leading to a massive increase in food production that could feed a growing world. The nature of the job changed from manual labor to machine operation and farm management. Then came the personal computer. People feared it would kill office jobs. Did it? No, it accelerated them. It created entirely new industries. We didn't get rid of accountants. We got accountants who used spreadsheets to do in an hour what used to take a week. The computer didn't replace the office worker. The office worker who knew how to use a computer replaced the one who didn't. AI is the next logical step in this evolution. But there's one huge difference: the speed. The agricultural revolution took decades. The computer revolution took years. The AI revolution is happening in months. The rate of progress is exponential. What seems like a novelty today will be an industry standard by next year. Waiting to see what happens is the riskiest strategy you can take. So what can you do? Start now. Start small. You don't need to become a machine learning engineer overnight. Pick one repetitive task you do every single week. Just one, and then go find an AI tool that can help you do it faster. Maybe it's using ChatGPT to brainstorm email subjects. Maybe it's using a tool like Midjourney to create placeholder images for a presentation. Maybe it's using an AI meeting assistant to automatically transcribe and summarize your calls. Get your hands dirty. Play with these tools. Learn their strengths and weaknesses. Learn how to talk to them, how to write prompts that get you the results you want. Think of it like learning a new language. The language of collaboration with artificial intelligence. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. This fluency will be the single most valuable skill on your resume in the coming years. The winners of this new era won't necessarily be the people with the highest IQs or the most prestigious degrees. The winners will be the most adaptable. The ones who see change not as a threat, but as an opportunity. The ones who are curious, who are willing to learn, and who are not afraid to integrate new tools into their workflow. Let me say it one more time so it really sinks in. The risk isn't AI replacing you. The real risk is a person using AI replacing you. The future of work is a partnership between human creativity and artificial intelligence. The only question is, will you be a part of that partnership, or will you be left behind by it? The choice is yours, and the time to choose is now. Thanks for watching. If this gave you a new perspective, consider subscribing for more insights on how to navigate our rapidly changing world. See you in the next one.